In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update MX records for Business Gmail in Google Workspace 2026 5 minutes. We're going to connect your domain to Google Workspace so Business Gmail can deliver and receive mail for your custom address. MX records tell the internet which mail server should handle email for your domain, so updating them correctly is essential. I'll walk you through it using a typical domain registrar interface like Squarespace, but the steps are similar with most providers. First, sign in to your domain registrar account. Once you're in, head to the section where your domains are managed. Look for an option called Domains, then select the specific domain you want to use with Google Workspace. From there, open the DNS or DNS settings area. Depending on your provider, this might be called DNS Records, Advanced DNS, or Zone Editor. Before making changes, a quick tip: take a screenshot of your current DNS records. It's a simple backup you can revert to if needed. Now, remove any existing MX records that belong to a previous email service. Leaving old MX records in place can cause mail to bounce or land in the wrong inbox, so it's best to clear them out. Next, add Google's MX records. Create new records with the type set to MX. For the host or name, use @ or leave it blank if your registrar treats blank as the root. For the destination or value, add Google's servers. The standard set is Priority 1, aspmxlgoogle.com. Priority 5, alt1.aspmxlgoogle.com. Priority 5, alt2.aspmxlgoogle.com. Priority 10, alt3.aspmxlgoogle.com. Priority 10, alt4, aspmxlgoogle.com. If your registrar only allows one entry at a time, add each record separately with the specified priority. For TTL, the default is fine, or you can choose something like 1 hour if available. Save your changes. DNS updates don't take effect instantly everywhere. They can propagate in minutes, but sometimes take up to 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry if email doesn't switch over right away. Now go to the Google Admin Console, sign in with an administrator account, then navigate to Apps, Google Workspace, and open Gmail. Click Activate. Google will check your MX records and confirm when it sees the correct configuration. If verification doesn't pass immediately, give it more time and check back. Once activated and propagation completes, new email will start routing to Gmail for your domain. That's it. Your MX records are updated, your settings are saved, and Gmail is ready to go.